If you're building a client website that needs appointment booking, a salon, a clinic, a coaching business, you probably come across Amelia. It's one of the most talked about booking plugins for WordPress, and today we are going to find out if it actually lives up to the hype. I'm going to walk you through what Amelia does, who it's best suited for, where it falls short, and whether it's worth recommending to your clients or using on your own projects. Let's get into it. Amelia is a premium WordPress booking plugin developed by TMS, the same team behind Elementor add-ons like Essential add-ons. It's designed to handle appointment scheduling and event bookings entirely within WordPress, no third-party tools required. Out of the box, it supports single and recurring appointments, multiple services and service categories, multiple staff members with individual schedules, online payments via Stripe, PayPal, Molly and Razorpay, SMS and email notifications, a built-in admin panel that's completely separate from the standard WordPress backend. That last point is actually a big deal for client projects. Your client doesn't need to touch the WordPress dashboard at all. They can manage everything from Amelia's own interface. Let's talk about what makes Amelia stand out from a developer's perspective. Custom booking forms. Amelia gives you a booking widget you can drop anywhere on the site via shortcode, Gutenberg block or Elementor widget. You can configure it to show specific services, specific employees, or let the customer choose everything themselves. The form is clean, responsive, and works well on mobile without any extra work on your end. Employee management. Each staff member gets their own profile, their own working hours, their own days off, and their own set of services. If you are building a multi-practitioner clinic or a photography studio with multiple shooters, this is exactly what you need. You can even give staff members their own login to manage their schedule without accessing the rest of the site. WooCommerce integration. If your client is already on WooCommerce, Amelia integrates natively. You can route bookings through the WooCommerce checkout, which means your client's existing payment flows, order management, and email receipts stay intact. Google Calendar and Outlook sync. Two-way sync with Google Calendar and Outlook is included in the Pro plan. This is a must-have for any professional services client. Their bookings automatically appear in their calendar and personal events block off availability automatically. Webhooks and Zapier integration for more advanced setups. Amelia supports webhooks and Zapier, so you can connect bookings to a CRM, trigger email automations, or log data to a spreadsheet. This opens up a lot of possibilities for custom client workflows. Now let's talk about cost, because this is where things get interesting for freelancers. Amelia's official pricing starts at around $79 a year for a single site license, going up to $299 a year for unlimited sites. That's a reasonable price for the feature set, but if you are managing multiple client projects, those annual renewals add up fast. One option worth knowing about is grabbing an activation through a service like Key Activated, where you can get Amelia activated on your site using an original license key at a significantly lower cost. It's a legitimate activation. You're not getting a null plugin, just a more affordable way to access the full Pro feature set. Either way, make sure you're working with the licensed original version. Null plugins are a security risk you should never bring to a client project. No review is complete without talking about the downsides, so here's where I'll be straight with you. Learning curve for clients. Amelia has a lot of settings. For a tech-savvy client, it's manageable. But for someone who's never used anything beyond a basic WordPress page, the backend can feel overwhelming. Budget time for onboarding and documentation when you hand off the project. Customization limits on the booking form UI. The form looks great out of the box, but deep styling customization requires CSS overrides. There's no visual drag and drop form editor for layout changes. If a client wants something very specific visually, you'll need to get your hands dirty with custom CSS or JavaScript. Recurring appointments have quirks. The recurring booking feature works, but it has edge cases, particularly around rescheduling and cancellation of individual instances in a series. Test this thoroughly before going live on a client project. Mans this thing. To keep access to updates and support, you need to renew annually. If a client decides not to renew, the plugin keeps working but stops receiving security patches, worth factoring into client maintenance agreements. Hosham Danen. After working with Amelia across several client builds, here's my honest breakdown of who it's best suited for. It's an excellent fit for salons and spas, medical and dental clinics, personal trainers and coaches, photography studios, consultants, basically any service business that runs on a schedule. It's less ideal for businesses that need highly complex multi-location logistics or projects where the booking UI needs to match a very bespoke design system without heavy customization. If your client needs a clean professional booking experience and doesn't require extreme UI customization, Amelia is genuinely one of the best options in the WordPress ecosystem right now. So, is Amelia the best appointment booking plugin for WordPress? For most professional service businesses, yes. It's feature rich, developer friendly, and the client facing experience is polished enough that you can hand it off with confidence. If you want to try it out without paying full retail price, check out Key Activated Vinash. I'll leave the link in the description. They offer original license activations at a lower cost, which is especially useful if you are evaluating it before committing. If this was helpful, give it a like, it genuinely helps the channel. And if you want me to do a full setup tutorial showing how to configure Amelia from scratch, drop a comment below and I'll put that together next.